Hi loves, what is up? It's your girl Shikli here, back at it with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I installed this beautiful chocolate lace frontal wig. Y'all, I have never done this color before and I have to say I'm here for it. I was so excited when Alipearl reached out to me and wanted me to try out one of their wigs. So this wig is from Alipearl. If you guys are interested in purchasing this exact unit, there will be a link in the description box down below. And yeah, they have so many different other wigs on their site that is affordable and that looks just as good. And let's talk about the lace, okay? The lace, the color is giving. I didn't have to do anything to this wig but bleach it, and then I just went ahead and plucked out some hairs. It did come pre-plucked as well, but I just went ahead and plucked some hairs out and then I just installed it, y'all. This took no time and it was just like super easy to install. I absolutely love this color, and what I absolutely love about this is that it came this color. Like, I had to do no work with any bleach or anything other than bleaching the knots, but y'all, it came just like this. The lace looks phenomenal. Everything just looks bomb. I think this has to be like my favorite look ever. Like, I've been wanting to try this chocolate brown color on myself for a really long time, and I'm just so happy that I was able to do it this time. And so this video was not going to be a talk through because my AC was on the whole time and it's super loud, and I wanted y'all to be able to just enjoy the video. So it's going to be like a sit down. Y'all could just relax and watch me install this wig. So if y'all are interested in seeing how I put this baby on and how I got it to look this nice and sleek, then definitely keep on watching.
Hi loves, what's up? So we're just going to jump right into this video. So right now I am showing y'all the wig that I received from Alipearl. Again, this is their chocolate lace front unit, and I just bleached the knots. I'm showing you guys the inside of the wig. It's very much stretchy and it fit my head pretty good. Honestly, it might have been a little bit small, but it gave us that facelift that we need. I was so excited to put this wig on because I have just been dying to do this chocolate brown color, and the fact that I had to do no work with actually coloring the wig was a plus. Like, saved me so much time. And yeah, right now I'm just showing you guys how it looks so far, and it looks bomb. I cannot wait to just hurry up and put this thing on my head. I think this has to be like my favorite look. So right now I'm going in with some foundation. This is the Ruby Kisses foundation, and I'm just applying that to my cap, cutting off some of that excess cap because that is not needed, and just making sure that everything is like almost right in front of my hairline, but not too much.
Alright, so now we're going to go in with some alcohol, y'all. I know y'all hear it in the background. That is my AC. I started this video off doing a voiceover, but I'm just like, I want to talk to you guys.
And y'all, I thought I was going to be doing a talk over because I really wanted to talk to y'all, but the AC was just bothering me. I was sitting right in front of it, and I just knew that it was going to be a complete distraction. It was going to be so loud, so just ignore that. We're just going to do a voiceover, okay? So right now I'm just using some alcohol on this cotton pad, and I'm just cleaning my skin off so that the glue is fresh and able to just stick on my skin. And I'm going in with the Ghost Bond glue. Y'all know I always use my boho active, but your girl was running low and I had clients, so I have to preserve the good glue for them, okay? So I'm using the Ghost Bond, and I did about 3 layers. So the key to applying glue to your wig cap is always to make sure that in between each coat and each layer, it has dried completely clear, okay? So I'm just going in with the back of a razor because that was the only thing that I had that was close enough to a popsicle stick. Really, you just need something really flat and wide enough to spread the glue around. And this is the second coat, so I just did little dots across my hairline, well, across the cap, and then I just went in with the razor and then just smoothed everything out. Waited for that to dry and just repeated the same process. right, so after the third layer, we're just going to pull the wig down, and I like to make sure that the wig is exactly like right on the glue, and if I miss a little bit of pieces that is a little bit over the glue, it's fine. We'll just cut those off. So as I'm pulling that into the glue, I'm also using my hands to add pressure to make sure that the glue is, you know, latching on to the lace itself. And I'm just making sure that all of that cap is covered, and as y'all can see, instant facelift, y'all. Instant facelift. Like, do y'all see that? Eyes is pulled all the way back. That is the type of look I like to go for when I put my wigs on. To each his own, but that's my vibe. All right, so now we are going to cut off our ear tabs, and to me, this is the easiest part. A lot of people seem to have trouble. All you really have to do, y'all, is just cut around your ear. That's it. Cut around your ear. Don't cut below your ear. Don't cut above your ear. Cut right around your ear. It is super easy, and it probably is a little bit easier when you use smaller scissors, which is why I'm using cuticle scissors, because it just works better. All right, so once that is done, that was the hard part. So once that is done, I'm going in with my elastic band, and I'm just melting that lace into the glue before we go ahead and cut that extra lace off. So while that is sitting, I just like to do my part, make sure that everything is nice and sleek. And I wanted to do a middle part with this look, and absolutely did not regret it. So right now I just put some wax stick, and that hot comb was hot. I see what my clients be talking about now. I'm so sorry, y'all. Oh my gosh, it was so hot, but we're going in with more wax stick in between our parts to make sure that everything is nice and flat. That is how you get the flat look. That is how you get the seamless look, and that is how you get the no helmet look, okay? Because the big helmet look is not it. We want everything to be nice and flat and just look like it's coming out our scalp. And also, don't forget the back of your lace. Wherever the lace stops, you need to take a piece of that hair and cover the tracks so that it is not detectable, okay? So that you're only seeing lace and you're not seeing tracks as well. So your hot comb will be your best friend for sure. So as I am doing that, I'm just brushing out the rest of my hair, and we're about to go ahead and style this wig. So I'm using the Cheese Silk Infusion oil, and I'm just running that throughout the hair, just prepping it before we go in and flat iron. And y'all, at this time, my mom and my nephew was just in there bothering me, like bothering me.
Why is that for me? Hi. Good morning. Good morning.
Go say good morning to the people.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh,
Put his voice in there, just like, hi. Say hi, everybody. Go over there.
Can you give me a comb?
buddy.
To the camera. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, buddy.
Right there. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, buddy.
It's running.
Yeah.
Get up.
Hi, buddy.
Get out of your auntie things before she smack you. You are not entertaining and exciting enough. So I'm
Over
gonna tell Ashley
container?
I bought it for her.
Yeah, that's what you do.
I need some excitement.
My mother likes to buy things and say that it's for me and it's not for me.
It's for her.
She just
people.
didn't want it anymore, so she's giving it to me.
People's, it's for her, but she don't appreciate.
Jay, be careful, please. You guys are causing chaos.
Come on, Jay, let's leave the whirlwind alone. She got her own chaos going on. Come on.
Yes,
Jay.
my hair is.
Oh.
They are crazy. So I'm just going in and pressing my hair with my Babyless iron, and it's on 450, and I'm just using the chase method, and this gives me the most sleekest and straightest look ever. You have to use a comb and your flat iron. That is how you're going to actually go through and apply heat to every strand of hair, because the comb is going to be, you know, kind of detangling as you straighten. So that's how you get the best look. You just have to take your time, have to be patient. So right now I'm taking off that elastic band, and it is time to cut this lace off. And it looked so good, y'all. I was so excited, like so excited. So I was just straightening up my part at this point and just trying to see where I wanted to have my baby hairs. And for this look, I definitely went with the baby hairs only on the sides and none in front, and also a sideburn. So right now I'm just using my razor and we're cutting off all that extra lace that we just don't need. And do y'all see the lace? Like, do you guys see the melt? This is insane. Like, by far one of my favorite installs ever. Like, the color, the lace, the blend, everything was just given. It was hitting. It made me feel like I was that girl. So as y'all can see, like, that just looks so good. Like, so good. Look at that. So good. Get into it, y'all. The lace has disappeared. Wow. I was feeling it. I was feeling it so much that I had to take pictures of myself. It looked so good. And yes. So now we're going to repeat the same process on the other side with the razor. And more pictures because, well, do y'all see this? It just looked too good not to take pictures. Your girl was feeling herself and I wasn't even done. Like, that's crazy. So now we're going in with the baby hairs, and I'm just parting some of my baby hairs out, and I am just doing, like I said, 2 on the sides and my sideburns. So normally, y'all know that whole sideburn look where you cut it short. I actually wanted longer sideburns. I just felt like it added to the look very well, and that's exactly what I did. So I just cut the sideburns a little bit short, but not too short, and just repeated, you know, my usual steps with those baby hairs on the side. So once those are parted out, I just went in with a smaller elastic band and just added more pressure so that the melt can be, y'all, out of this world, okay? That's key. Always add pressure to your installs. So after a while, after I did my makeup, I came back and I just tweezed a little bit of hair out of my baby hairs because I don't like full edges. I like them to look very natural and very minimal as well. The full edges just isn't for me. If that's for you, then do you, girl. But for me, it's a no. So I just went in with my flat iron, my pencil iron, and I just curled it upwards so that when I am laying my baby hairs, they have like a nice curl to it so that it lays very effortlessly. And we're doing the same thing on the other side. After that, I'm just going in with some Got To Be on my edge brush, and we are just going to mold our baby hairs down. I was going for like a very fluffy look instead of like a very like structured laid baby hair type of look. I wanted it to look very natural. So the Got To Be glue gave me the look that I wanted because I didn't want it to just be super flat. I wanted some fluff there as well. And then once I got it the way that I wanted, we just repeated the same steps on the other side, which didn't take long at all because, again, 2 baby hairs, that's all. Alright, so now for this part, we have to touch up our lace, and I just used some brown eyeshadow to do this, and y'all, that is pretty much the finished look. I absolutely love this wig. It turned out so good.
Alrighty, love, so that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed it, y'all. This came out so nice. It looks so good. It looks so natural, and I have to say, I think this is by far one of the best wigs that I have ever put on my head. Like, I think it's given for me. I absolutely love this. I love the color. I love everything. I love how flat it is, and not to mention, y'all, my hair isn't even braided down. Like, it's just slicked back. So let's really get into it, and then let's get into the lace, honey. It's giving everything, okay? So if y'all are interested in purchasing this wig, you guys can find all of their information in the description box down below. Don't forget to check down there for coupon codes and everything as well. Again, Alipearl, this is it. All hits, no misses, y'all. They did their thing with this one, okay? So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl's channel, and before we go, today's motivational quote is, God is bigger than whatever has you stressed in this exact moment. Lay it down and let him handle everything. So with that being said, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.